Oh, are you lost? Well, no worries if you have this gadget. Or what about a cool gadget for your pet? Stick around because we have some very interesting picks for you today. All the links to the products are in the description below. Heytech Halloween Scary Mask Cosplay LED. The Halloween mask is a conversation starter and will make sure you stand out from the crowd. Regardless of where you are, you'll be getting tons of attention from others who are curious about your scary mask. Fun for all ages. The LED mask is PVC, includes an elastic band to place around your head in order to hold it in place. Glowing mask also has openings in the eye, nose, and mouth area. No inferior plastic smell, no pungent smell, can be worn with peace of mind. The scary mask can be used on any occasion such as Halloween, party, rave parties, discos, clubs, birthdays, masquerades, Mardi Gras, rave festivals, costume parties, carnival, gift, festivals, and events. Power Vision Power Egg Drone with 360 panoramic 4K HD camera. With the fully foldable and integrated design, Power Egg does not require any assembly of propellers or legs and can easily fit into your backpack. With Power Egg Maestro, industry's first gesture recognition remote control, turning direction or taking pictures is extremely easy. 4K UHD camera on a 3-axis gimbal with 360-degree panoramic view. Power Egg supports 2.4 GHz frequency of signal transmission. It has an extremely long distance for real-time video streaming and flight control distance of up to 3.1 miles. Coupled with our iOS or Android flight app, Power Egg delivers powerful autonomous flight modes that help you capture those special moments, be it wakeboarding on the lake, your kids at the park, or dancing on the beach at sunset. Power Egg is the ultimate accessory to enhance your lifestyle. Nordic Lifting Mini Stepper and Stair Climber Machine. The Mini Stepper is a functional cardio machine that is compact and portable, making it easier for you to set up anytime, anywhere. It is considered to be one of the great tools, especially for those who have no time to go to the gym, helping you squeeze exercise into a tight schedule even at the comfort of your own home. To use it, simply stand on the foot pedals that simulate a stair climbing motion when you push them down alternatively with your feet. Compact foot stepper machine with resistance bands makes for a full body workout. Do your cardio and your toning exercises at home. No need to hit the gym. Easy to set up and does not require much space. Included are 3 pairs of resistance bands to make cardio workouts more intense. Quadcopter Egg Drone. Power Egg X is a multi-function device that can be used as an autonomous personal AI camera, a handheld 3-axis AI camera, or a high-performance drone. The AI face recognition technology delivers accurate, efficient, multi-angle remote face recognition and subject lock-on when following the subject. The patented sync voice technology picks up high-fidelity sound using the mobile phone's microphone or a wireless microphone and automatically synchronizes the audio with the pictures. The 4K UHD camera on a 3-axis gimbal captures stabilized views. The Power Egg X is also a high-performance drone equipped with a 4K 60 FPS camera and triaxial mechanical stability augmentation technologies. It can be used for highly dynamic aerial photography. Sparkling water maker and fruit infuser. unique sparkling water maker with an air-charged 2-stage pressure release valve allows you to infuse flavors directly into the bottle with no loss of fizz. Carbonate wine, beer, or your favorite fruit and syrups in the bottle. With their wide mouth, it's easy to add some cut-up pieces of your favorite fruit into one of the 2 bottles included with this premium soda maker. Our bottles have measurements so you can get a perfect mix of your favorite syrups every time. Compatible with standard threaded 60-liter CO2 gas cylinders that you can order separately on Amazon or from your local big box retailer. Register your Carbo to redeem 10% off your first twin pack of CO2 cylinders when you order separately from our partner SodaSense. Lightweight, durable, yes, it's plastic. Design means you can sparkle anything, anywhere. We are so confident we are the only soda maker that offers a 3-year warranty for registered customers. Mask Aroma stickers. Wearing a mask has become the new norm. We know being a good citizen is hard work, so why not treat yourself? A patch that removes mask smell and breath freshener and makes the mouth cool and fragrant. Whether you're wearing face masks for your profession or protecting yourself as you run errands, this is a simple, free way to enjoy essential oils on the go or when you're at work for a business. As 100% pure plant oil contains the natural ingredients of the plant itself, there is no need to worry about it, and the pleasant scent makes the frustrating mask life refreshing and fragrant. Now you can enjoy essential oils anytime and anywhere in your own personal space without worrying about others. Simply use aroma patches and replace it every time when you use. And resealable, smell-proof packaging to ensure the scent lasts and does not leak from packaging. Foldable lightweight gimbal stabilizer. Equipped with enhanced brushless motor and iSteady 3.0 anti-shake algorithm, iSteady X foldable gimbal for iPhone can help you eliminate shakes to a large extent and produce smooth footage. You can always get clear and steady videos no matter you are walking or running. Are you still trying with the plain and dull video you made? Do you try hard to create astounding videos? Try the Moment Mode of iSteady X via HUGOAI Pro app. The Moment Mode provides 7 one-tap templates like Inception, Dolly Zoom, Time-Lapse, and Panoramas. With only one click, this phone gimbal stabilizer can rotate to 270 degrees or 180 degrees automatically, bringing you the cinematic Inception imagery. HUGOAI Dimmable RGBW Bedside Lamps. Connect this smart table lamp with your Wi-Fi and start your smart light home right away. With iOS and Android app, you can control your lamp remotely from your phone or tablet. Turn on or off, decorate your home with warm to crisp white light, or choose from 16 million colors whenever you want with the tap of a finger. Works with Amazon Alexa and Google Home to allow you to control the bedroom lamp with your voice. Adjust your table lamp from 3% to 100% bright. Set your light from relaxing warm white to crisp natural white, or change atmosphere of your room with your desired color, all by saying a command. This smart table lamp offers versatile functions to meet your needs for any lighting application. Wake up in the morning with bright white light. Make nighttime feedings and diaper changes easier as a nursery nightlight, or create your own ambience with 16 million colors. Off-Grid Tool Survival Companion. Fully stocked with 22 important features, you will want this survival companion by your side. This is the everyday carry that belongs in every emergency kit and bug-out bag that truly does it all for every contingency. Use the tungsten carbide V-sharpener to maintain the blade on a knife or axe so you can build, chop, or hunt. Magnesium and ferrocerium rods provide tinder and spark, which will burn at over 3,000 degrees to keep you warm and safe. The emergency whistle belts out more than 100 decibels of sonic power, alerting help to your position while you can use the mirrored reflector to signal over longer distances. A built-in compass and thermometer will help you keep track of directions and weather. Gpca X-Clip Pro Set. X-Clip keychain is not your typical keyring or keychain clip. It is engineered with CNC steel for a durable and sturdy build. Use our heavy-duty keychain for regular tasks and rugged adventures. Always be prepared for everyday tasks and outdoor activities with our multifunctional tactical keychain. It comes with a 360-degree spinning head ring and Gpca's universal tie. Use our belt clip for keys, knives, and other EDC tools. ACR ResQLink View. Once activated, an SOS distress signal with GPS location is sent to search and rescue forces worldwide using the 406 MHz emergency distress signal with 121.5 MHz homing signal. Small, rugged, lightweight, personal locator beacon that is buoyant and includes attachment clips including a belt clip, oral inflation tube clip, straps, and lanyards for increased wearability for hikers, boaters, campers, climbers, RVing, and all your outdoor adventures.